really upset. Like, I'm mind my business. I don't talk about nobody. I try to stay positive. I drink my water. Pissed. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIE RASHON. Welcome back to another edition of BD Monday. So this video is clearly super different. We're in a different setting. We are in my bathroom right now because I'm getting ready for my work day and I have to cleanse my face. My face had a super horrendous reaction to a new makeup product that I tried about a week ago, and I'm still kind of recovering from that. Finally got or found the E.L.F. poreless putty primer that everyone was like swearing by. It was like the rival of Tatcha. Go get it, go get it, go get it. Save you some money. It works just as good, blah, blah, blah. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna get it. I finally found it. Well, about a week ago, I did try it in one of my makeup looks, and I realized after when I was editing the video that I started seeing like a little breakout here on my forehead, which I don't normally get breakouts on my forehead. I normally get them like on my cheeks or like in my, you know, my hormonal zone, things like that, but never really on my forehead like that. So that was kind of like worrisome to me, but I didn't really pay much attention to it. And then when I took my makeup off, I realized it was a lot more under my makeup. Like I could see like almost like a rash popping through under my skin, and I was like, what is going on? So I thought it was like maybe some other makeup. I didn't even think about the primer. So I let that rest for like after that first time. For some reason I didn't use it again. I just used some other primer, and then I went and used it again 2 days ago, and I noticed in my makeup again, I started to have another breakout during, you know, the filming and wearing the makeup. So I'm just like, man, I think it's that primer. So you guys can see, like I had, like it was worse than this, you guys. Like I had the breakout literally here, and then I had a breakout here. Like you guys can see that. Like I was just like, what is happening? This was all like covered. It's going down a lot more. Even in pictures, you could literally see zoomed in like the rash or like some type of rosacea looking bumps forming under my skin. Like it was really bad, you guys. And I even had some like itching around my neck. Like it was horrible. I was really upset. Like I'm mind my business. I don't talk about nobody. I try to stay positive. I drink my water. Pissed, okay? Pissed. This is just gonna be a video showing you guys what I do to clean my skin in the morning and how I prep my skin for the day for makeup or just to go out. So now I'm gonna wash my face. I use 2 of the Biore products. I'm running out of one, so I'm gonna use the other. Normally I use the Biore Charcoal Acne Clearing Cleanser, but I also have the Deep Pore Charcoal Cleanser. I do use this one more when I'm in the shower just because the steam gets good in my pores and cleans them out or opens them up a lot better. But since I'm running out of the other one that I normally use during the day, I'm going to use this one. Okay, and to make sure that I get this product in my face really good, I'm going to use my face scrubber that I got from Amazon. It comes with 4 different head pieces. So I'm using the most common one, which is like the face scrubber. But they have like an all over face body scrubber here. They have like a little sponge. Oh, it's actually 5 pieces. They have like a little massager here. Like this thing is amazing. I'll link it down below though so you guys can check it out. I definitely love that this product doesn't get really soapy. So I can kind of just work it into my skin, and then when I rinse it off, it kind of suds back up. I also like the brush on this one. It's it's soft enough to not, you know, tear at your skin, but it's abrasive enough that you can actually feel like the deep clean. So I really do like that. I definitely feel that this helps me, especially when I have a breakout or some type of allergic reaction, because I really want to get my pores cleaned out. I have humongous pores on my face, you guys, but especially like around my nose and on my cheeks here. You guys can see the breakout here. Like it literally did a number on my skin, you guys. So I was really upset about that. Like what? And I normally rock with E.L.F, and I was just really surprised that I had that reaction to that product. Next up, I normally go in with some type of mask. I only do this 3 times a week because I don't want to dry my skin out too much, and too much dryness can obviously hurt your skin. So I normally go in with either my L'Oreal Pure Clay, it's a red clay mask, or it's a pure sugar scrub. So I think I'm gonna do the sugar scrub this morning just because I feel like that's what I kind of need to do. It's kind of like an on and go type of thing. So I'm just going to use my foundation brush that I use for my face, and I'm going to put that on. This does have like pomegranate seeds in it, so when you put it on your face, it kind of gets activated and it gets warm, so you feel like a warming sensation, which I love, and it smells really good. You can also use this on your lips to exfoliate them, so I like that a lot. I'm definitely going to pay attention to my nose area because I really need to clean that out. And I always make sure to bring it down like under my chin and my neck, because I grow hair in like the weirdest places, and I think with my hormones, especially with having PCOS, I definitely grow hair like a man sometimes, so I gotta watch that. I do like to exfoliate that, especially after like tweezing my hair, things like that. So get my mustache area and my neck. You will rinse this off in like a circular motion. Okay, and now I will put some Vaseline on my lips because my lips be getting chapped and they crack a lot, and it's just, So we don't want to be crackhead Tyrone, okay? We don't want that. Now I'm going to go in with my witch hazel. This one is the Thayer's witch hazel. I normally use the Dickinson's, but they didn't have that when I got here to Texas, so I've been using this one. So I put a little bit on a cotton ball. Well, I wouldn't say a little bit. I put enough so I can cleanse my skin. And then I'll go in and just wipe over my face. I especially want to pay close attention to the areas that have the breakout, just to make sure I cleanse that over really well. Change out my head on my face brush, and I'm going to take the massager. It's a massager from Brookstone. I'm going to take the massager and I'm going to massage around my face, especially like under my eyes, and around like my neck area, kind of get the blood flowing a little bit, bring some, you know, color into my face, some plumpness back into my face. I definitely want to plump up the eyes, under the area under my eyes, because you guys can see I have bags or like dark circles under my eyes. I'm going to do that before I put on my eye cream. And you definitely don't need to press super hard with this. You kind of just let it sit on your face and let it do its magic. If you press too hard, it'll slow down the blade or slow down, you know, the motor of this, and it just kind of like, what are you doing? So take your time, press lightly. The older I get, I wish I would have known to use eye cream at a younger age. Use eye cream, ladies and gentlemen. If you need to get it, get it. If you don't need to get it, get it. You need eye cream, because the older you get, you know, that area under here is going to become more and more sensitive. Those wrinkles are going to become more and more prominent, like you're going to notice it. So use the eye cream now, save yourself some time. But the one I have been in love with lately, surprise, is by E.L.F. and is the illuminating eye cream, and this is what it looks like. Very cute packaging. I got it from Walmart for $10. All you need is a little bit, so I just put a little bit on my finger, and then I place it under my eye. Because I'm not using makeup, I want to make sure I'm good to go for the most part. So yeah. Next, we're going with my face moisturizer. I've been in love with this face moisturizer for the last couple weeks. It's by Pond's. It's the dry skin cream. My face does get oily sometimes in my T-zone. However, the other areas of my face can get really dry, so I like to use this. And you don't need a lot of this either. That was already too much. I know this is a different Beauty Monday, but I really had to let my skin breathe, you guys. I could not do makeup today. I don't like putting makeup on top of a breakout, especially if you have some texture in the breakouts. Like, you definitely can see it. It just kind of seeps through, and I just hate how that looks. So I feel like keeping my skin as clean as possible really helps me a lot in getting this to heal up faster than it normally would if I keep palette makeup on top of it. But again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Make sure you also smash the notification bell if you're new to the channel. But yeah, I will see you guys next time. Love ya. Bye.